Drip is a very, very important sector of our economy.
Quotation Bible was to I will set you a table before your enemies. Meto pono e watam. We say am no gasi ade. E ka me say nyame ato Bawumia pono e wo na tamfo anim. Onim ni Lantey Vanderpuye, that NDC man. Yes, Obeka 2024. This man lambasted Bawumia, say Bawumia anya hwe. Just say Bawumia the most useless vice president ever. Any other communicators na omo Oyerepa TV. They blasted Bawumia here and there back and forth. Ekra beka say time Mahama beka say MPP aban AC hospital ba kope abra hwie enim no. They chance on that to even insult Akufo the most. Na buta 2025 we no. Omo di Bawumia na Akufo atem no. Ni Lantey Vanderpuye any those same Oyerepa TV communicators no omankasa aba abia praise Bawumia any Akufo Addo. Aha Penyah block media. Mesra say any dey mo. Oba like video no other room. Oba subscribe button na click the notification icon for the latest updates. Na ba chere wa adwon dia mama e wo comment section so ba so. No share video more for so enya bi ahye. Eti Bawumia as a vice president in 2024. They say are there many developmental projects in this very country Ghana, but we decided not to see. We overlooked at them. What I say, Emma Lantey Vanderpuye, I remember in video croye. I can say Bawumia the most useless vice president ever. But we say out of nowhere 2025 drip project na Bawumia de buy Lantey Vanderpuye na nkasa kanfo Bawumia.
Drip is a very, very important sector of our economy. Over the years, from the time of Jerry John Rawlings, there has been an attempt of the sort. The amount of money, the amount of state funds that have been sunk into that sector in the acquisition of those equipment, very, very huge. So you need somebody who will use it to make the state benefit immensely from those equipments. You need somebody who is firm, who is fair-minded, somebody who is buffed and also baked in the local governance system, understand the local governance system. You need somebody who can look into the face of people who will have the intention of misuse of this state property and tell them, I will not allow you to do that. And so I think the president did not make a mistake in choosing me.
Right.
I'm grateful for his choice because basically he's given me the opportunity to do what I've always loved to do. Right. So our responsibility basically is to look at how that road from that small hamlet, that farming community to the district capital, that road linking two district capitals together, how all those roads will be taken care of.
And how has it been so far?
Good. It's not been easy because it's a new department.
Yes.
We're structuring it. We are working on recruiting close to 4,460 operators who will be in charge of the machines.
Okay.
Then we'll have district coordinators who will be able to coordinate the activities of these operators within the district. We'll have regional coordinators who will also coordinate the activities of the district coordinators.
Right.
And then I, at the National Secretariat, I'm the national coordinator. I have 2 deputies and 2 technical directors.
Right.
So that's the structure, that's the organogram that we have. Then we're now waiting for the clearance. Let me say thank you to His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama. He's been so magnanimous, he's been so happy with us that he personally is intervening for us to have the clearance and the warrant to recruit these people under the local government service so that they will be staff of the assemblies and they will work.
That is how the life is. And over here, Oyerepa TV, these same journalists, Ebetnas say Akufo Addo nye hwe. Akufo Addo did nothing in this country Ghana. Oma anye bibia ma oman konkron Ghana. Oma anye hwe. In fact, pin cross man to be ama Ghana. Oma etna Ghana kunya no so eno mu diska left right center nyafunya. Oma anye hwe. Eti gran gedi enye nim say after Akufo Addo anye hwe nti ati ase ato ba sana. But we are 2025 out of nowhere. Oyerepa TV journalist for ye almost Akufo Addo anye hwe na. Omo abetna e kan for Akufo ne Bawumia. For those agenda 1 hospitals to Akufo to me build they are now praising him.
Me say or your pap breakfast show. Jumadi ye dwuma bi si ye so. Say a new money project Ghana binding the sika hye mu bia yibi di echi. Ye shase last year 2024 and ho yinyaye. Na me say project bi a MPP a buying e shase wasantimanta. Your friend the Vamet project. Ghana ha nyina na project no e 12 dumie. Asante mantem ha yenya enum enya no baako wo sabronum a ewo afo no southeast baako ewo manson kwanta manson kwanta hone amansie west manson kwanta baako ewo twede a ewo bosome twede wo atwumakwa homa district baako ewo swame municipal and a back wall settle from plains air drop so and I'm say personally minimum team mako mia num mako munai ni nyina miko the man ko be swami and also me producer Freddie Ajimai also vagos slow ono and e koye nyan na aka ni nyina me koye so baby abiko bia so miko share DC ya wo DC for no and the lead me koye enti enra mo ana mo bisa videos and the pictures no enye busirika. Okay, so Freddie affect me through yenin kan no me fa mo nko eye mo hwede yo yen fa mo nko eye sede ewo atwuma kwa homa district Freddie mo fa me nko fast me call trade no a Vamet project a 40 bed capacity your real project. I just come on Facebook and see this. Oba so who kura wa baby amiko bi atade foforo na mission and do the fatade no kura hwe baby amiko ye video ya eye trade Vamet project papa ya odi manim DC honorable Prince Kakari the then DC Prince Kakari ni ono gina me cheno afidie na sisi won we ye theater abra ko theater we ye atwoma kwan homa Vamet project 40 bed we amunyi video picture from mofa sequence na bebre do and also atwoma kwa homa de 40 bed where the na mofa other pictures no facility pictures no higher baby and the mother unit to say no kwala ne bed no woni bibia da hono ma kwa atwoma kwa homa we trade behwe corridor no bibia paintings ni awie enti ukwa trade mini DC ni abra airport na chese rada anymore facility. So this is a finished project for Atwoma Kwanhoma Vamet project into where the Atwoma Kwanhoma District Hospital. Omo sia wie omo commission ye momi yanko anim. Ne atoso mienu Vamet project a ewo Freddie Afatma nim. Ne atoso mienu Vamet project a ewo Secretary Afram Place. Secretary Afram Place ne drop on so bra be me kwabia me din kan ko gina hospital nanim na me gina the banner no where Afram Plains District Hospital me na me gina ho no na na bonsu ye cameraman gina ho ye kodu hospital where so ye Vamet project wo ma wie na na do commission ye ake Freddie amofa me go inside. So this is also a 40 bed mini mi wura mu ana ye inspection atie for mom na me hwebi come on Facebook. This is also a finished project, 40 bed o ma wie na Vamet for impeni for the mi wura inside bibia na de ni gesa no say okwa ha no ma no megu ha no enu abi su ne gu ha because one company Vamet no de gu ha e bia ne gu ha enti bibia sesai. So this is a Vamet project our drop bon so Central Afram Plains District we dia mofa binka on yenko enim we so woni we one ward bed bibia si so me na meti ho no magi medwa meti chairman into when so 40 bed and nanado be commission theater woni be hwem fidie egu ho no bibia wo set when so nanado be commission ye it's a 40 bed facility me na me call you ati for me na me ti ho no chama magigi adam ani obi an call me na me call enti ma she blue adi oyere pa verse me amini the morning ma me amini okay and abra be hwe ye kwa ye so bi ni DC honorable Sule onie nti bia me ko bia metro DC no won say ye koye ye wie de koye interview we ye for the office and the Mijaya may interview. I will sexual affront place. Drop on so it is a Mebacasa or my reading that why yet meaning the America. Now there were a year drop on so the news and not be friend will be some say chip compound be a workroom hormone. Or my chip compound for night day. Abba a year. Your friend is saying district hospital yard and I do see or my bell. But ni penisha district chip compound there. Nipa send doctor crying in the best wrong. Or more nipa nurses, doctor, medical superintendent will be taking over. No obomwa na nipa wo honso no ayare hwani ayaresa enkonani wanu so mawi ya gwanim okay mame fa wonko eye Amansia West district Amansia West that is Manson Kwanta ready am fa me ko Manson Kwanta me ko do Manson Kwanta so no 40 bed facility vamen e dey for mama hwe we so atade from obi meka say ne sentence dada na there bi we ni Amansia government hospital e wo Manson Kwanta e no so me na me gina for me na me ko we could do one baby also we could do an imaginary picture answer the room. This is a 40 bed varmint project. Where's my way? Okay, after young company and shady surroundings you do on that you know waiting kaya interview. But I'm from inside na facility. Yeah, where's your Amansia South here? This is a mini DC. I just for mom have DC in the examining channel. A friend of Oscar Addo. Amansia West West. DC. We ward the bakuni ejina and pani CCC one. We bebe. We ward the bakun and pani CCC one man. Bibia oh another Bibia. Mini DC naja or the miko through Bibia. We are munchenyi engineer. Munchenyi engineer. And just say the facility is no, you know, nanado a Bibia. A man said, you know, nanado buy a map of machine now. Sad and hormone and went to me one hormone. Yeah. But no, mini DC Amansia South. It's a finished project and another which is on Bibia where Amansia West a year Manson Quanta Varmint project and also movie Bibia Jenny is a doctor called okay, get us on 9. Mammy found Sabronum our a year I have for north southeast. Omode street ni Edujama Nelson Hospital no I was Sabronum so die ni also over here Sabronum Government Hospital baby I could be a meeting engine hospital na make in that. Okay, so this is Sabronum the 40 bed completed and commissioned varmint project. So this is it you do when you want in Kaya report kakra na ye kwen. Okay, move am go inside. My name head of programs Evergreen Mami Nyako. Me ne call Sabron inside me. Wow, and Kolani will be for fra and buy the betum and Bibia, the beds and everything. Bibia. For not brother here. What back you go away? What back you? That is a Bibia will be and pan just everything. Bibia woman carpeting in our walk just a bit. You bet it just for them, their theater or my lap or moon feed ye Bibia woman. None of the Kumasino. For another alcohol. Mempeko consensus all your call travel and to what you did in a brand in enemy call rouse. Yeah, you go right inside watching now more small baby or could be 5 projects no more watching your more checkers here. Much like a crabia, you know what you mean now. Yeah, pretty much yeah, almost washing room here. One washing machine. I can see a Bibia now also tell me the washing machine. Who was it yet? Bibia Honoma, Robber, mini DC me. Mini DC kwa probably we mini ba yeah background so honorable Thomas Usu answer on no DC for no southeast also make or mina way DC Megina and also hospital varmint project 40 bed capacity no more na ya to baby busu okay maybe 9 baby a man kobi e swami muntie komoni me man kobi a me mika me producer Freddy Ajimai slow Freddy enko anim fant me enko also fagos Freddy aneko ho also yeni DC di nkomo yenti a okra me pese me show video because me show mega say na say wa anko hook let me give me producers di omo Freddy aneko I want me ne the then MC represent Maxwell di hu nkomo a omo ye bibia you understand maminka Sabrono di na what you tell no medical superintendent ho nim panifo ho any crew no town hall meeting na town hall meeting omo ye no mka che kuruma ne say ye bebia no enche ye ba bebia no nemom enipa beba ha ne nurse doctor ni wan hwa doctor ba ko ne nurse for kakra bi enti mo ba ha ne say ye nsan so mo so ne kasa mo ko referral ma mo bu enkakra ebe yi enti hafo no de no doctor for ne ni kro na hia ye meeting be na masama make nyina ne say ache dodo yes ya de awia commission bibia wo bosumi num mobile the regional minister as a health practitioner, as a medical doctor, Penyah was here, and then I was appealing to Honorable Kwabrami Takando, the Minister of Health, said, Minya Kwabio Nasa Sinamoka, said, Nana, and he found out, show us pictures. I didn't only show you pictures, but I put it on me. Let's go. I didn't only show you pictures, I've shown you videos. I've not shown you only pictures, I've shown you videos. These are evidence, sir. The 5 VAMED projects in Ashanti region was duly done, completed, and commissioned by the S1 and Addo's government. Again, propaganda. We are only calling on the regional minister and the minister for health. Said, Babia, as a nurses for the doctor. Maybe.
Woman ekasomu deport woman type honorable osafomafo ebeka eno ho asem wo kan setiaye say adentina ya China for na ye deport woman amoma kwa China ni no we ni person Ghana ni dey prosecute no why wo boss mamenka na honorable Muntaka aka wo say ever since I assume in office obey Juma as interior minister 107 foreigners and I deported woman. Was I should be also say now buying a NDC but is not interested in prosecuting foreigners when they are caught in illegal mining. And previously, so you spoke against it. What has changed, Honorable?
Minerals and Mine Amendment laws now. Punitive measures now. Deportation also count.
Okay.
Deportation.
Now, when you were, speaking against it, and now we say deportation account.
I don't remember just criticizing the deportation. But the person involved, maybe kind.
Okay. Oh, Kingdom FM during your interview. Okay.
So what did no call it?
No, as Emma would say, Aisha one crumple say you deported, but later Aisha Efa Eba Yena. You're prosecuting.
Wait a minute. I'm saying, sir, my friend said me kingdom me no who refer to your banana
the past administration.
Well, I don't remember saying that, but I know say maybe I know say you criticize what do you call it Aisha one say na omo handle no because Abayin Bekan say mayem prosecuting no. Abayin Bekan say mayem because one more reasons na my you know, and we were not in tune. I mean, we didn't agree with that. But you see, the boss Bekan you know, and because say we account and also count. But you see, let's look at a certain scenario. Remember, can actually be one of your sister stations. Okay. No, can be said, you see, you're in prisons and you're conducive for foreigners. That is not true. And yes, I don't kind. Me na me kasa na me can say me kochi Chinese near or the excavators best 100 about Ghana or say your forest. Na makochi no forest or no so honoma. Because China now be no court court. Now obekwa ko pray no hu anya bail. Onya bail ni wi a. O hwehwe na uhunu because bebre wo ho na ye chi wo ma. Ye si obisa wo ma si wo mu ni passport. O rest system no ma uhunu biom. Won o tie me kana say. Eni no if I have the option, send me chain on what the Nisika Bagana Hanu, what invest you no may be brave. Then a year more punitive. So what's easy in the excavator? We are no to know. Now, only ni embassy aye baako na wo ma ye ma wo mu kɔ no enye sɛ ye Aisha wan de ni bi okotwa no san ba yo sese no ansa na ye do be kɔ no ye take o fingerprint ye blacklist you untimi me Ghana hanu bio through any port unless who the footpath footpath by road because we betumi achi wo barrier am this is all the footpath be na ba be rem
footpath no ko ra
so they are na make ara anything no say no wo ma ye deport wo mo na ye say ya chi na ye de wo kokete wo ye blacklist wo ti no next time u ba u du kotoka ye di o passport na ni say we his blacklisted ye be ma wa airline bia do we ba no ono be tuaka no for san do akọ so they say anything no me na me can say if I may say me na me take this decision instead say ye be kwakọ chi wo mo ni do akwakọ gu ba bi na ye ma wo maduane adi ni ade no na wo be kwakọ nya bail no ma yira e wo system ni dia say ye de wo mo call I will support that and yes say ye prison no enye conducive for them no why are they special human beings wo so ye nipa so they say but nipa no this sika ba no ye season is excavator ye season ni no money na ya pam yes they are pam no because problem na power we call due process
okay
they do for due process and say na ya pam wo dia
but say they won call ye prisons no omo serve any sentence bia
unim dia koso especially the Chinese no womu de womu kwa most of them womu de womu ko prison yes because womu buy no yes I want buy no kra feel say womu embarrass womu ha
okay
and you know womu take it serious but say no the Chinese look na say womu chichi bia womu evade taxes you see womu buy nye papa Chinese for papa womu enye womu nyina womu ba no ye papa o bebre efi ho no mu ba womo evade tax womo ye womo dwane enti ye ni womo aye baako u this yes I normal no na so ba ha no ma womo information ye chiwa ye de womo na wakwa serve enti ye ni womo collaborate pa now pa
okay I see
yeah
Tirawaje from me e comment section they say silence is a powerful tool Bawumia didn't speak but karma is speaking for him. Posterity is judging everyone who insulted him. Penyah Block Media.